Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm recreating the almond fruit cake from Singapore's Four Leaves Bakery. Let's get started. First, sieve together 110 grams all-purpose flour, 25 grams cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Set it aside for later. In a large mixing bowl, beat 5 egg whites together with 110 grams sugar until stiff peaks form. Now add the egg yolks into the meringue. Gently mix until well combined and smooth. Next, add the sieved flour mixture into the egg mixture. Carefully fold everything together until no dry flour remains. Try not to overmix so the batter stays light and airy. In a separate bowl, combine 50 grams oil and 50 grams milk. Mix well. Take a small amount of the cake batter and add it into the milk and oil mixture. Mix until fully incorporated. This step helps the oil blend more smoothly into the batter. Pour this mixture back into the main cake batter. Gently fold and mix until smooth and evenly combined. Pour the batter into an 18 centimeter cake pan lined with parchment paper at the bottom. I'm using a taller cake pan because I want to make a 3-layer cake with this recipe. Use a wooden skewer and run it through the batter in a circular motion to remove excess air bubbles. Then lightly tap the cake pan on the countertop to release a few more bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake rest for about 5 minutes before removing it from the pan. Then place it on a wire rack and let it cool completely. This recipe makes enough for a 3-layer cake. Once the cake has cooled, frost it with whipped cream. Here's how I like to frost my cake. After frosting, refrigerate the cake for at least 2 hours so it firms up nicely. Now let's roast the almond flakes. Spread 150 grams almond flakes onto a lined baking tray. Try to spread them out as evenly as possible. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 6 minutes or until lightly browned. Remove the tray from the oven and gently move the almond flakes around. Then spread them evenly again. Return them to the oven and continue baking for another 6 minutes or until golden brown. There you go, the almond flakes are ready. Let them cool completely and they're ready to coat the cake. Finish the cake with sliced peaches, kiwi, strawberries and lychees on top. This is a slightly unusual way to make sponge cake, but I thought it would be interesting to try it out for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. Personally, I think the oil can probably be reduced from 50 grams to around 30 grams next time. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.